All right, Hiro-san.
Good morning.
First day, we're gonna head over to Charlotte and then over to Tennessee to meet our buddy David. After that, we're heading up to Santa Rosa Beach to meet DJ. Packed everything in the new Nissan Z. Can't wait to see how this thing does on the long road. I'm packed for 5 days. Hiro, what about you? You're packed for 5 days too?
Yeah, I have
5 or 6 days, right?
Here, then my tool there, my cutting board, my knife set here, in case I have a rice cooker.
Nice. And of course, I have my camera back there. All right, Hiro-san, you ready?
Sure.
Right by Orlando, and we are definitely not sightseeing. We are stuck on the side of the road. This is the turnpike just north of Orlando. And we got a flat, we went over something and couldn't see it because the truck went right over it. Right now we're at 16 PSI and still got a while to go. Got up to 34. And here, this compressor's got a little sealant. The hole's right over here. And you can see the sealant was trying to come out. So hopefully it's gonna seal it pretty good, but I hate to be on the side of the road, but thankfully we're fairly safe. Still 4 PSI, not doing well, but tow truck is almost here. There he is, finally. All right, Hiro, we are saved.
Yeah, luckily we don't have any get injury, you know.
Thank God, yeah.
The car just after the
All right, hell yeah.
And up there too, you see it?
All right, finally got it to Jenkins Nissan. Johnny over here is super nice guys. Gonna get the tire for us tomorrow morning like around 10:30, 11 o'clock. And hopefully we'll be on the road shortly after that. There is some damage underneath the car from the rubber that it hit. I mean, this thing was like a chunk of rubber from a semi-truck that was just in the middle of the road. All right, here at Jenkins Nissan, thank you so much to these guys here. This gentleman here, Johnny, you made it happen for us. Thank you so much. You brought the tire all the way from Orlando. And Zach, thank you so much for your help.
Anytime. Thank you
The
guys.
team here is amazing. So you guys ever in this area, look them up.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. You guys are the best. Thank you so much again.
Excellent.
All right, here, son. We're on the way. Now to Charlotte, yeah?
Oh, Charlotte. Hey.
Road trip.
Road trip.
Let's go.
Oh, triple A is actually sashimi today. It's only tuna steak, 5 ounce.
Let's do the ribeye. Just one, the one right up here. Oh, thank you very much.
Sir, man,
Appreciate it.
You doing a live thing?
Not really live, but you want to be in a YouTube video? This is Garland,
Hey,
all the way in
you
Hickory,
guys.
North Carolina, man. It smells so good in here. What are you guys making back there?
we got some pulled pork and
Pulled pork.
meatloaf, brisket,
Okay.
bacon, all kind of stuff. So
Oh, nice.
come out here and see us.
Yeah, here in Lowe's. It's like Whole Foods. Lowe's Foods,
Lowe's
yeah.
Foods, yep.
In Hickory, North Carolina. Thank you so much, my friend.
Hey, you've been awesome.
No, I appreciate you. All right, finally made it here. We're going to start grilling for our friend Martin. Hope he likes what you're going to make for him. Trying to make it as authentic, southern as possible with this hickory charcoal. Some good old fine meat.
Today's a little bit cloudy day, but we are here, Hickory, North Carolina.
We finally made it here, huh? We had a tire blowout going about 80 miles an hour. Thank God we're okay. Got the tire fixed, and now we're finally here. Our guest. This is Martin. Martin, tell us about yourself a little bit.
Hey, my name is Martin, aka Real 86 Hands, and I was born with no hands, and I like to post videos online and show people on how I do stuff with no hands, and more of that later on.
Stick around, hear Martin's story. Really inspiring. But first of all, we're going to cook for you, Martin.
Sounds good. I'm excited.
All right, so are we. All right, Hiro-san, what's the first step?
First step, I need to cook the beef.
Okay.
It's a Levi steak here.
Okay. You can have a seat, Martin, if you want.
Martin not eat the seafood.
You're not a
Honestly,
seafood lover yet, but we're going to get you to
So-
enjoy some seafood in the future.
I might get inspired.
I
Okay.
cook something special, shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah, in the future.
Or how about some uni? Have you tried sea urchin?
Oh no.
No, I have not. No,
You know what that is?
I do. Yeah, I've never tried it. Yeah,
Next
I
time.
usually hear seafood, and I
You got to run the other way.
run the other way.
Okay.
You have allergic or?
Oh no allergies.
So you just haven't tried yet.
Maybe I haven't tried good seafood.
Oh, I see.
Sorry to hear about your tire. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was
80
bad.
miles per hour?
80 miles an hour.
Wow.
We hit one of those. You know when those trucks they do the recapping, they retread the rubber. Yeah,
Yep.
we hit one in a bad angle
Oh my goodness.
and
Glad
send the
you guys
car
are
flying
okay.
a little. Yeah, we're okay. Send the car flying a little bit, and then I look because I keep the gauge with the tire pressure on,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm always monitoring it no matter what. And the thing dropped like a rock.
Wow.
So we were able to pull over safely, and that's part of the video too.
Oh,
So you haven't seen it, but you'll see it as part of this video. Okay, just a little salt and pepper, right?
Salt and pepper.
Yeah, we see that you really enjoy fast food. What's your favorite fast food that you like?
I enjoy Chick-fil-A. I enjoy Bojangles. We have that here in the
I was
South.
telling him about Bojangles is really good. Yeah.
Yeah, they're really good chicken and just good breakfast food. And,
Okay.
And I like a lot of places. I like to try anything new, but usually just stick around Chick-fil-A, Bojangles, a couple of sometimes Taco Bell. But
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the optimum temperature. This is awesome. This is his hickory coal. It took about 20 minutes.
Putting up everything, you know.
How do you like your steak, Martin?
Medium rare or medium.
Medium rare to medium. Okay.
Medium rare to medium.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so do you ever cook steak at home?
I have not. No, I've had people make steak for me,
Okay.
but I never actually cook myself. And I can cook, but
Okay.
it's easier if someone else does it, or if I just order in or order out. Or
Okay. Nice. And you're from Russia, right? That's another
Yeah, I was
thing.
born in Russia. Yeah,
What part?
Moscow.
And you have no Russian accent.
No, I moved from Russia to the United States in 2003.
Okay.
So I was already speaking Russian. It was my first language.
Okay.
And then when I came to the States, they didn't want me to speak Russian and only
Yeah.
English.
Okay.
But I'm relearning Russian actually as we speak. That's why.
Oh, cool.
The classes I'm taking.
All right. Nice. Yeah, we have a lot of Russians in Miami. Right? Sunny Isles.
Yeah.
A lot of Russians in there. All right, this flame is actually looking great. Let's look at it before we put it down. Wow, look how nice that looks, huh? The color. All right. Beautiful. Steak one is ready. Okay, just gonna pat dry a little.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the liver, I see already in the area. I see the very strong fiber here. Just gonna take off this.
To me, I enjoy that part. The grizzle.
I know.
You too, right, Hiro?
Yeah, but for the sushi,
Yeah, sushi. No, not so
I need
much.
to take off these things.
We want our guests to like the sushi roll, not keep chewing forever.
And
Are you a sushi fan, Martin?
Well, I guess since I don't eat much seafood, I kind of just stay away from it.
Oh, okay.
But I've never actually really gave it a go.
Okay.
Because I just hear seafood, I'm like, oh, never mind.
Yeah. So we made this rice earlier in the hotel. Made the sushi rice.
In the hotel?
Yeah.
I brought the rice cooker and everything from.
Yeah, I brought the rice cooker.
Oh, wow.
So we're ready. And traveling with Hiro, he's the most prepared person ever. Doesn't skip a detail, I can tell you that.
Prosciutto make ready. So this seaweed actually is a half sheet.
Okay.
So I usually make a sushi this way, but this one I'm going to move to this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Sesame seed is okay for you?
Yep.
A lot of people has an allergic of the sesame seeds, so I'm just gonna ask. Because avocado. Yes, and then that is.
The key to sushi is the rice. Of course, other ingredients too, but as long as you have good sushi rice, there's a world of difference.
Okay. And now I'm gonna put the prosciutto.
Okay. So you put plastic over it just to keep the ingredients on top planted, you know, so they don't move when he cuts it. A lot of times if you don't have it, then it shifts. And then the bamboo mat, he changes to the one without the plastic so it doesn't stick to this one.
Okay.
Yeah. When you roll it, of course, you know, they use that one just so the rice doesn't stick on it.
It's a big bite. It's okay.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. I haven't ate all day, so I
Okay.
was preparing for this.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay, well, it's ready.
Guys, take a look at it. All right. Looks pretty good. Now,
thank
to the tasting part. Okay, Hiro's gonna add a little soy sauce. And maybe a little wasabi. This wasabi is pretty potent, Martin, so you gotta be careful.
Okay.
The ones in the tube are always the ones you gotta be careful.
I didn't know wasabi came in a tube.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, first time Martin's having sushi. I'm excited for you.
All right. Here we
Especially you
go.
never had it before, and Hiro-san, you made this delicious creation. Enjoy, my friend.
Thank you. All right.
How's the seaweed? Because if I know you're not a really big seafood fan, the Nori, you either kind of love it or hate it, I guess, or you just
Seaweed, some
has a little bit of a. It's not that strong, but
Adds a little flavor to it. Wow.
you feel that kick from the wasabi.
I don't feel it yet.
Okay, then you probably won't feel it now.
That was good. The steak is good. Wow.
And how about that rice, the sushi rice?
Perfect.
You like it? It's good.
Perfect. Yeah.
All right.
Thank
Well, he enjoyed it. Sounds good.
That was amazing.
Hiro-san, success.
Yeah.
And I'm super honored to be here and part of this video that Martin's having sushi for the first time. I did not know that when we
yeah,
reached
thank
out
you
to
for
you.
having me.
You know that? I did not know that.
I just like I said I hear seafood and it's in sushi. I'm like, I'm good. But
Yeah.
I guess I should really try branch out a little bit.
All of his social media is down below. Make sure you guys give him a follow. Thank you so much, Martin, for meeting us out here, having Hiro making you sushi for the very first time.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
I really don't know your story from beginning to end, but I'm sure a lot of viewers want to know more about you.
My name is, like I said, Martin, and I was originally born in Moscow, Russia, and then moved to United States in 2003. I was adopted, and then I was again put in a group home, and then adopted again in 2009. And here I am in North Carolina.
How'd you get into social media? Because I know you're big on Instagram.
Yeah, I started social media back in 2012, and I guess did another little kickstart a couple years ago just to start again. But I just wanted to show people how I live my life with no hands and how I could do things. And I hear people saying, "Oh, I'm having a hard time with this," or "I can't do this," and here I am doing it with no hands, with 80% less fingers they got, and I just love showing people what I can do, and I love inspiring and showing the world.
And you're driving. You can do anything you want, right?
Oh yeah, and if basically I can do anything I want, and if I can do it, I figure it out. I take my time. Obviously, I'm going to do it a little differently with people with hands, but yeah, no, I love driving. I drive a normal car, got a normal license.
That's awesome. Well, you guys follow him on social media. We'll put all the links below. It's been an honor to be here for you. Sure, Hiro, what a great time, huh? Finally made it here. All those obstacles, Hiro, especially the one on the road that we hit. Well, I have to say that I hit because I was the one that's driving. But able to hear and meet you, Martin, it was our pleasure and honor again. And in the future,
Oh yeah,
Samuni.
I'm down to try it, and thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Sounds good. And we'll see you soon. Okay, what a great video. What a super nice guy Martin is. Now we're going to make our next stop to Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's. It is Knoxville?
Yeah, it's
On the way.
yeah, Sevierville.
Okay.
Okay, let's go, Hiro.
Let's go.